Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. Experience a perfect balance of airflow, aesthetics, and versatility with the NZXT H7 Flow mid-tower PC case. Designed for PC enthusiasts who demand both performance and style, this latest H7 Flow iteration takes cooling seriously while offering a polished, premium look at an accessible price point. Its perforated panels allow exceptional airflow, ensuring your components stay cool under pressure, while the included 3 intake fans deliver efficient, quiet performance. Built with quality in mind, the H7 Flow features a tempered glass side panel that showcases your build, along with clean cable routing options for a clutter-free interior. Supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, this mid-tower accommodates high-performance components, including GPUs up to 410mm and CPU coolers up to 185mm in height. Liquid cooling enthusiasts will appreciate its spacious interior, capable of fitting large radiators with ease. Front panel connectivity includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and HD audio, providing convenience for peripherals and headsets. With 7 PCI expansion slots, versatile fan mounting positions, and support for bottom-mounted ATX power supplies, the H7 Flow balances functionality with style. Measuring 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and weighing 24.3 pounds, this case is a statement piece in any setup. Whether building your first high-performance PC or upgrading your existing rig, the NZXT H7 Flow delivers exceptional airflow, sleek aesthetics, and practical features that make assembling and maintaining your system a breeze. Number 2. Cooler Master Cube 500 Flat Pack. Turn building a PC into a creative adventure with the Cube 500 DIY PC case. Designed for enthusiasts and families alike, this compact mid-tower makes assembling your system a fun, hands-on experience, almost like an IKEA project for tech lovers. The Cube 500 combines playful aesthetics with practical design, giving you a sturdy, versatile chassis that supports full ATX motherboards and standard ATX power supplies. Beyond its charm, the Cube 500 delivers strong functionality. It accommodates GPUs up to 368mm, CPU coolers up to 175mm, and multiple storage drives, with 4 internal 3.5-inch bays and 3 internal 2.5-inch bays. Front panel connectivity is convenient, featuring USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio. A tempered glass side window lets you show off your build while maintaining easy access for upgrades and cable management. Its modular design includes swappable face panels, allowing you to refresh your system's look whenever inspiration strikes. With 3 fan positions and 1 included fan, airflow is optimized, keeping your components cool and reliable. The Cube 500 also supports bottom-mounted ATX power supplies and offers 7 PCI expansion slots for versatility. Measuring 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches and weighing 17 pounds, this compact chassis delivers both value and enjoyment. Whether you're building your first PC or creating a memorable family project, the Cube 500 offers a playful, customizable experience while giving you a solid, functional case you'll be proud to showcase. Number 3. InWin A3. Punch above your weight class with the InWin A3 Micro ATX PC case, a compact chassis that delivers exceptional performance without sacrificing style. Slightly larger than a typical Micro ATX case, the A3 maximizes airflow, component compatibility, and thermal efficiency while maintaining a small footprint, perfect for space-conscious builders who still demand serious performance. Designed for Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, the A3 allows you to leverage the best value components while offering room for high-performance GPUs up to 340mm and CPU coolers up to 162mm. With support for 2 internal 3.5-inch bays and 3 internal 2.5-inch bays, storage options are versatile, and cable management is intuitive for a clean, professional-looking build. Connectivity is top-notch with USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio on the front panel. The tempered glass side panel showcases your components and highlights the included addressable RGB fan, letting your build shine with customizable lighting effects. Featuring 5 120mm or 140mm fan positions and support for top-mounted ATX power supplies, the A3 balances airflow and cooling for compact systems. Measuring 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing just 11.6 pounds, it's ideal for small desks, apartments, or minimalist setups. Whether you're building your first compact PC or upgrading an existing system, the in-win A3 combines sleek aesthetics, efficient design, and high-performance capability to deliver a micro ATX case that truly punches above its weight. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270 TGA RGB Matcha Green. Upgrade your PC build without breaking the bank with the View 270 RGB ATX PC case. Combining premium features with an affordable price, this case delivers exceptional value for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts alike. Its standout design includes a wraparound tempered glass side panel that showcases your components and addressable RGB fans, letting your build shine in vibrant, customizable lighting. The View 270 RG supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, offering flexibility for a wide range of builds. It accommodates GPUs up to 428mm, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and power supplies up to 280mm, ensuring compatibility with high-performance components. With 2 internal 3.5-inch bays and 2 internal 2.5-inch bays, storage options are versatile, while the included dust filters keep your system clean and running smoothly. Front panel connectivity includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, giving you convenient access to peripherals and headsets. 3 included 120mm to 200mm fans provide efficient cooling, and 6 fan positions allow for expansion to optimize airflow. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing 14 pounds, the View 270 RG is a visually striking yet practical case for any desktop setup. Whether you choose the unique green, crisp white, or hydrangea blue, this ATX chassis looks and performs like a high-end model, all while saving you money for other vital components. Number 5. Lianli Dan A3M ATX. Discover the perfect balance of size, performance, and value with the Lianli Dan A3M ATX PC case, created in collaboration with the renowned German casemaker, Dan Cases. Designed for enthusiasts who want a capable micro ATX chassis without overwhelming their desk space, the Dan A3 strikes a Goldilocks balance, large enough to accommodate high-performance components, yet compact enough to fit neatly in most setups. This versatile case supports micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 425mm, and CPU coolers up to 165mm, making it ideal for high-performance builds that don't rely on liquid cooling or extreme hardware. Power supply support includes ATX, SFX, and SFXL units, mounted at the front for efficient space utilization. Storage options include 1 internal 3.5-inch bay and 3 internal 2.5-inch bays, providing flexibility for both SSDs and traditional hard drives. Front panel connectivity features a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, ensuring easy access to peripherals. The case includes 4 fan positions, RGB lighting, and optional side window panels for those who want to showcase their build. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing just 10.8 pounds, the Dan A3 offers a clean, efficient design that prioritizes substance over style. With its premium build quality, thoughtful engineering, and reasonable price, the Lianli Dan A3M ATX is a top choice for compact PC enthusiasts seeking a reliable, capable, and stylish micro ATX chassis.